Hey guys, this is going to be a short video about how to import a video from Alibaba product page to your Shopify product page using Editorify. So I'm going to use this Shopify product page and let's visit the Alibaba product. So we're going to import this video and we're going to click on the Editorify extension icon. So this is the Editorify editor window and select the video you would like to import. So that's the video. And now scroll down and select the Shopify product to import the video to. So let's find my product. And here it is. And import now. Now let's click on the view link to view the product page. And that's the product page, and here's the video. Let's play it. Okay, now in case you want to remove the video, simply go to the Shopify product page in edit mode. You can do it from Shopify dashboard or from the edit link. And go to the description field and click on this button, show HTML. And we're going to remove the video tag. So we're going to select it just like that. From video to video. And just remove it. Now click on this button again. And you can see that the video has been removed. And click on save. Now let's visit the product page again and refresh the page. And you can see that the video has been removed. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe for our YouTube channel for more dropshipping tips and Editorify updates. See you next time.